Hello guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss. So yesterday was luxury budget task episode and we saw a lot of things happening in the house, and of course the highlights of the show were Swami Om and Priyanka Jagga. We have with us Arushi Jain who's gonna throw some more light on it. So Arushi, what exactly was the task and why it went wrong?
Well, Bigg Boss planned something fun for the contestants of the Bigg Boss house and for the viewers of the show, since he gave an interesting love letter task in which the boyfriend and girlfriends in the house, though they are friends in the reality, but yeah, Bigg Boss made them the boyfriend and the girlfriend couple, and they had to write some lovey-dovey messages for each other, and they had to share the messages. But Priyanka Jagga and Swami Om were made the warden, and they had to keep a watch that the boys and the girls don't share the love messages. But I think Priyanka Jagga and Swami Om took their roles quite seriously, since they didn't even allow their movement in the house. So they went over the board in getting themselves win the task. I don't think that was good on their part, since it was a fun task, and even Bigg Boss mentioned it very clearly that make it as fun as possible.
Yeah, in fact, with this task, we also have means the winners will be announced as the captaincy nominations, which has led Priyanka and Swami Om to be extremely disastrous, I'll say, because they didn't allow anyone, as she said, they didn't allow anyone to talk with each other.
They were not even allowed to move freely in the house. That is ridiculous. You cannot stop someone from using the washroom, or you cannot stop someone from eating food.
True. And we also saw that Swami Om was targeting Rohan Mehra for no reason. And he actually wanted to attack him with, I don't know what, some iron substance in his hand. What was it about?
He claimed that it was only to threaten him, but he cannot even threaten somebody like this in the house.
And he broke the washroom's door.
Yeah, exactly. And what was he exactly trying to do was beyond our expectations. Even Bigg Boss didn't expect him to fall down to such levels, I
Seriously,
suppose.
I mean, we have seen Swami Om making all misogynistic comments on the show, and taking advantage of being an old man in the house. But then this was seriously not done. I mean, I never expected him to be like that. Even Priyanka Jagga, we have always seen her making personal comments, but yesterday was a way ahead, a step.
Because it was the fight which was going on was between Priyanka Jagga and Manu Punjabi. So why did she even bring in Mona Lisa in that fight? She could have commented on Manu Punjabi. Instead, she chose to comment on Mona Lisa's personal life. She even said that nobody outside the house will accept you. You will be left alone with your mother. Who is she to tell Mona Lisa whom she'll be left with or not?
And even on Manu's part, she was saying she was taking his boyfriend's name, girlfriend's name, and she was on and on going about it. And even Swami Om was seen commenting on Manu's girlfriend over the show.
Yeah, because that is something you cannot comment on somebody's family. And Manu has time and again mentioned it very clearly that his girlfriend Priya is very important for him.
Piku for all those audience who don't know that her real name is Priya.
Yeah. And next we saw, but there was a couple in the house who was all not interested in whatever was going in the house, and that was Bani and Gaurav, since both of them were sharing some good moments in the house, and I suppose the friendship has been again make up and they are again back to being friends. And next couple was Manveer and Nitibha, since both of them, and I suppose Manveer's messages were quite funny.
Cute and funny, mix of cute and funny. But I personally feel that being in the house, taking the responsibility of what is happening is very important. But Gaurav and Bani were aloof of everything, like they always are. They never are into any household things.
Till the time they themselves are not involved in a fight. Only then they take a stand when they themselves are a part of something, when something is being said about them. That is the only time we see Gaurav and Bani taking a stand.
But the last point I would like to mention is that it is important for us to wait and watch what Bigg Boss will do after the housemates in the house being physically attacked, molested in a verbal way, and all those things that are happening wrong. And because we have seen that in earlier episodes, we have seen that such contestants have been, taken out of the house immediately.
And not to forget, Big Boss even warned Swami Om that this is the last time that his absurd comments are being taken, and next time he does something like this, he'll be kicked out of the show. Today we'll see Swami Om again commenting on Manu Punjabi's girlfriend, and Manu will this time lose his cool and he'll not take this time from Swami Om. So stay tuned and find out what happens next in the Big Boss episode. Thanks for watching IndianExpress.com.